Welcome to my channel. This is Lifestyle with Ola, where I talk about fashion, fitness, lifestyle, luxury, and everything I feel like talking about and sharing with you guys. And in today's video, I have some luxury items that I've purchased over a few months, and I think I picked some up around the fall, and I thought this will be a good time around when sales are going to be hitting on Friday or this week, Thanksgiving, to share with you guys to see a few items I've purchased that I got on sale and I got good deals for, and hopefully retailers will be doing the same this week. And don't mind my dog, he's been going up around doing that. I think every time I bring out a camera he tries to get my attention, so if you can see him go around, just ignore him. The first item I have here is a JACLYN, I think I'm saying that right, JACLYN. This is the JACLYN Moyen. I think this is this is JACLYN Moyen handbag, and I picked this up from, I think I picked it up from Essence. They were having a really good sale a few weeks ago, I think, and I love this bag. I was actually in the market for shopping for a red bag. I needed a smaller red bag. This is my big. I have a bigger red bag, and it's a Balenciaga city bag, and it's really big. And I wanted something very dainty, something very handy I can just take out. And I in the past bought this same handbag in pink, but in the Grand Chiquito one. But it kind of was too big for me, I think, because of the way the handle fits. I mean, with that one I could fit it under the crook of my arm and everything, under my armpit also. But I found that it was too big for what I wanted it for, so I had to return it. So I went back, and when I saw this come out and it was on sale, I just had to grab it. I love the fact that it opens up that way, and it has a crossbody strap. It has crossbody strap. I think something is bothering my dog and he keeps going around the house. I'm gonna let him out now. I love this bag. I mean, it's very petite to carry. It does not fit my cell phone, so I have a iPhone 13, the Pro Max, I think, and it doesn't fit that, and I don't even think it will fit my regular iPhone 10 or X or whatever it's called. And I like that with this bag, even though it can't fit that, I can always hold my phone, or when I carry it, it's just I can put my phone in my pocket, or hold onto my phone and still carry this. I love the simplicity of it. I love that I can crossbody it, and it's a good one. And sticking to JACLYN, I actually picked up 3 JACLYN handbags, and I think this one was the first one. This is the Nguyen, and I love the fact that I love this purple. It matches what I'm wearing today. I could easily go out with this, and I love the fact that with this bag, it has the same strap and all of that. But the thing about this is that instead of it being you see how it's almost the same size, but the handles are different. So the top handle for this one is just a big top handle, but I like the way that this doubles up. So that way, if you wanted to do that, I guess you can, but I don't like that. I like it that it doubles up and it's easier to hold, and it's not just it's a very cute it's a very cute crossbody bag. That's the logo there. It's the same features as the other one. Does not fit a phone, at least my phone. But you can just put like regular essentials on there, hold onto your phone, and put a lipstick or your wallet if you have a card case, and put it on there. I like that. Even though it doesn't have a feet on it, it because of that right there, you can actually place it on a table and still not get to the bottom of it, because it has that this to prevent it and being the barrier for it. The next item, also like I said, is JACLYN, and I haven't bought the purple one first, and the red one was the last one I got, and I actually got this second. And I love the fact that, you know, this actually can fit my phone. This is the Grand Bambino, I think, and the Grand Bambino, the names will be across, the names for all of them will be across. And I love that, you know, this I can carry as a top handle. It fits my phone if I wanted it. I wanted a tan bag to match some of the items in my closet. And I had this right there, and you know, this actually matches a lot of items in my closet. This is the boots right there, and now I set a picture of me wearing this. And I wanted something that, you know, could, you know, that was not too brown, or not a dark brown, but a tan brown. I'm still looking for, and that's the thing about these items, I'm still looking for something to match perfectly. It doesn't have to, all items doesn't have to match what you wear perfectly, but there's still a handbag that I'm looking for, and until I get to that one, I'll still be looking for it if I can't find it. But right now, I love this. I love the fact that, you know, as you can see right there, yeah, that's a better. I love that the JACLYN is right there. It has that opening right there, and it has the crossbody straps on there, and you can easily, you know, attach it and wear it and wear crossbody. And if you don't want to wear crossbody, you can easily carry a top handle. So this was a very good addition to my closet. And, you know, so while that I can carry like for, you know, events, or, you know, going out, or just, you know, fanciful things, or even go to the mall, who knows. But this I can actually, you know, carry as an everyday bag if I wanted to, because of the top handle and the top handle, and because it can fit my phone, and it has the crossbody strap. So that's it for the JACLYN. It's this Bottega Veneta Osbit belt. I picked this up in the, I picked this up in the medium. I love this belt. You know, I've been looking for belts to, you know, complement the outfits I wear. I've wanted, you know, to, you know, sometimes, you know, there's some outfits that when I wear it, I know that the accessories need to lift it up, bring it up a notch. And I've noticed that with my belts, you know, I could do a better job, or do better with my belts, and, you know, take it to the next level. And so I decided to get this belt. This belt, you know, it took a while for me to actually pull the plunge on this, to pull the plug on this belt and take a plunge on it, because I wanted to make sure that, you know, it will fit my aesthetics. I wanted a perfect black. I wanted, and I previously had the Gucci Gigi logo belt, and find that that's watered down and all, and I can still wear it, you know, there are occasions for it. But I wanted a belt with a bigger buckle, and I wanted a belt that I could wear over my coats, because in this season, when I went out to try to shoot, I found that I couldn't really, you know, the belts I have in my collection, and I'll give you an idea of them. I found that the belts I have, you know, I have these two belts from Zara that are the very big ones, and, you know, I've worn them. One of them, this is about to, you know, I've worn them. They're almost to their wit's end, and this I previously got. I mean, there are occasions that I can wear it, but they were not actually getting the job done as I wanted, and they were not, you know, hitting the spot fashion wise the way I wanted it. And you know, for this I actually first got, I think H&M has the dupe for it. I actually first got the dupe to see what it would feel like, but I found out that I was actually, you know, my son always says something that, you know, if you buy cheap, you buy twice, and I think it's an old saying, but he's always saying it, that, you know, he doesn't like, you know, going out to keep buying items and buy it over and over again, whereas you can just buy it once, save and buy once, and that's the end. So for this item, I got so that I can wear overcoats, and I'll show you a video of me wearing it. So this will probably, you know, help me take my fashion game or fashion, you know, sense to the next level. And so I picked up I think I picked up 3 belts. Yeah, if I'm right, I picked up 3 belts. And so the second belt is, you know, since I got that in a black, I got this Valentino belt. So I mean that this, okay, this is the way. It's the V logo belt, and I got the 7 inches one, and I got it in 90 centimeters so that I can wear overcoats. Although when I got it, it was actually oversized, so I did go to the store and add an extra hole into it. But this belt is fabulous. I love the way it, you know, there was an look at, if you watch this, you'll see how this, you know, actually brings up the outfit, makes it look better. You know, I've already tried it. You've probably seen a try on of me wearing that, but this actually, you know, takes it to the next level, like I said. And so I'll let you know once I start wearing them, the wear and tear of them. But I actually have seen this. It took me a while. I'm not sure why it took forever to take the plunge, but I've decided that from now going forward, for my accessories, I'm not going to buy, you know, even though sometimes, you know, you see something and you quickly like it, I'm going to try and do more research and make sure I buy quality over quantity. If it's just one item that's of quality that I have and it can last me a long time, then, you know, buying numerous ones and I have to keep replacing, and then, you know, wasting money. And so the good thing about this is that it is reversible. But I was actually looking for one that was reversible with the, you know, this tan and red, but I couldn't find it. And, you know, after doing all of that, and I had rewards point from one of the retailers I actually shop with, and so I wanted to cash it in real quick since when the belt came on. And so when it became available, so I quickly got this. So this is this belt from Valentino. Last and final item from this luxury haul is this belt also. And like I said, you know, there's what more to say about it. You know, this is also a tan belt. This is the Louis Obi belt, and I got this in a large. Yeah, I got it in a large. I love the way that, you know, you can actually wear it in front if you want, and you can wear that. You can wear it as a you know, to make it helps cinches your waist when you wear like a plain outfit, or to make an outfit look like you know, cinching your waist, make it look better, make it look like you have a peplum on, because that's the design of it. And this belt, you know, I've seen it duplicated, and actually, you know, I can actually tell when I seen the dupes that I was just like, you know what, I might as well just get the real thing once and for all, since I really love it. And I waited for this belt to come up in my size, and because I hadn't seen it for a while, because I kept seeing the green and the black, and I knew I was gonna get other black belts. So when this came on, I got it, and I'm happy that I did, because if you can see in the video, I can wear this blue tan belt on blue outfits. It matches so much, you know, boots, shoes, the aesthetic of my closet, that I knew I had to get it to, you know, elevate my outfits. So, and that's the thing that I wanted to say about, you know, getting this luxury or higher end items, is that, you know, if you're wearing a basic outfit, like I'm wearing this, let me take this, I'm wearing this mango cardigan today and jeans, and I'm wearing slippers. Or if I wanted to go out right now, carrying this will, you know, help take me out and make me, you know, take my fashion game and make it, you know, lift up my outfit or lift up my, you know, outlook for that day, because I'm carrying this, because it's taking it the outfit to the next level. So, and that's the thing about getting, you know, good accessories, is that they help, you know, take your outfits to the next level. Like I've been repeating myself, I know, up a notch. And so I hope you enjoyed, you know, watching this video. I hope that, you know, this video is not in any way means of me bragging. It's just to share what I got, and that way, you know, show you how I've styled it. And you know, right now there are sales going on, and I want you also to be able to get them on sale. Subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share with your friends and family. And until next time, stay blessed. Bye.
I've been on the road, I've been doing shows. Now we eating steak, remember sleeping on the floor. Stealing at the gas station when the time was cold. In the kitchen, hot, still trying to flip it out the stove. Rocking fake J's, praying that nobody know. Watch them take my dog away, it was way too hard to stay composed. Fight to see the light of day, all this blood on my clothes. I was tired every day, green light, it's time to